I got colors of slime. So this one is pink and purple and red and also yellow and green. And pink, it's very long. Green and also pink and white and brown, even dark green. Even this a dark blue, my mom's favorite color, and light green and also orange. And also I'm gonna get one color and then I'm gonna show you what it is. I got a red slime, and also it's very stretchy and sticky. Also it's squishy and it's clear. And also you can play with it and it's so fun. You can take it wherever you go. And my favorite user color is purple. And my fourth favorite color is red. That's why I got a red squishy slime. And it's my brother's favorite color as well. My mom's favorite color is blue. And when you mix it together, it makes purple. My favorite color.